Guys, welcome back with the last last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, February the 16th, 2021. We have here the last puzzle, and it's a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be number 2338. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 4 is 13. Alright, 13. So it could be a 4-star Sudoku. Tectonic. Alright. So my first strategy is to find the single box. This is the single box. The single box is always a 1. Do we have more? No. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? No. Triple box? No. Quadra box. This is quadra box. There is no digit with the number 5 in it. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Yeah, you need to know some figures or constriction, or how you say that. Yeah, for example, this one. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah. Okay. This shape is the same as that shape, but in mirror. It's mirrored, yes? So this box is the same as that box. Here also the same shape or figure or constriction. This box has the same number as that box. Then you can also rotate this figure. Here we have 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then we have a T constriction. Yes. The T. This box is the same number as that box. This box. Oh, sorry. That box has the same number as this box. So, yeah. Okay. Do we have more? T? No. Yeah. Here we have a T. This box is the same number as that box. And this box is the same number as that box. Okay. This kind of figure. Yeah. Wait. Here. This box is the same number as that box. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This box, this kind of figure. Yeah. This kind of figure. This box has the same number as that box. So this box the same as that box. Do we have more? No. Ah, here also. Same as this figure or constriction. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, let's get started. So this box is the same as that box, so this should be a 1. Alright. So this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. So it's 3 or 5. 3 or 5. So this should be also 3 or 5. And this box has the same number as that box. So also 3 or 5. But we see here 3. So this cannot be a 3. This should be a 5 then. This should be also a 5. And this should be a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Alright, 1 and 3. Those 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. We have a 5 here, 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. A triple box. The 1 is already filled in, so the 2 and the 3 are left. Okay. Yeah. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. 2 boxes left in this area for the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be also a 4. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, should be a 5. This box should be a 4 because those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be a 4. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. The other pair should be the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2, double 1. So this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3, and this should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 3 here. We have a double 3 there. So, if I fill a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. This should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this can be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 2, because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3. Oh no, 2 and a 4. Yeah, 2 and a 4. Could be 2 and a 4. Yeah. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because it has the same number as in that box. And here we already have a 1, so the 1 should be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2 or a 3 because I need a 2 or a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So the 1 cannot be here. The 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. And this box has the same number as that box. So this should be also 2 or 3. So the 1 should be here. Alright. Well. 1, 2. This should be 3 or 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, but I see here already a 1, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 2. 5 and the 2, let me mark those. So that means it's connected with that box, also 2 and a 5. But we have a double 2 here, 2 and a 3. If I place 2 here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5. This should be a 5. And 1 digit left in this T construction should be a 2. And this box is the same as that box. Also a 2. And this box is the same as that box. So this should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes. 4, 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 1. Alright, 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Let me see. So this box cannot be 4 or 5 because I need 4 and 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2. No. This box is connected with that box. So this should be also 4 and 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 3, 5. This box should be 2 or 4. 2 or 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And then 1, 2, 5, 3. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. We have already a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be the 2 and this should be a 1. Alright, this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. Alright. 1, 2. 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2 and this should be a 3. So these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 2 boxes left. 2 and a 3 we have here. We already have a 2 here, so this should be a 3. And it's connected with that box, so this should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, 4 and a 5. 2 and a 3. Yeah, this box should be 2 or 4. Well. 4, 5. 2, 4. This box cannot be 4, 5. Cannot be a 1. So 3 or 2. 2 or 3. Yeah. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be the 3. And this should be a 2. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 5. And 1 box left for the 4. Finished in 60 minutes. Alright. Great. Tectonic. Not really a 4 stars. I think rather a 2 stars. Or 1 star. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. Keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Wednesday. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.